Here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, back-to-back dreary days here in southern New England, but we are going to see some changes in time for the weekend. This afternoon, though, it is going to be a damp one. Let's go ahead and start it off on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, and we'll check out the conditions across southern New England right now. You can see here the rain just moving north and into our area, and in fact, if it's not raining at your house right now, it likely will be here within the next hour or two for most of our area. I want to go down to a closer view here, and you can see a line of heavy rain stretching from northeastern Connecticut all the way down to southern Rhode Island right now, and that is creating probably some slow conditions on the highway along 95 right now. We'll focus in over Hope Valley, Ashaway, down through parts of Westerly, some very heavy rain. You see that up towards Arcadia as well, and this is all lifting up towards the north this afternoon, so heading up towards northern Rhode Island. Let's go ahead and see where else we're seeing some heavy rainfall is right along parts of 195, East Providence, Seekonk getting very wet. This is heading up towards the Attleboroughs as well. And we do have some pockets of some moderate to heavy rain through Somerset. Fall River got wet here within the last 20 minutes or so. And then all of this activity that you see off the coastline is going to start to fill in over our area for this afternoon and at least into early this evening. Rainfall total so far. Now, Connecticut's really been seeing the majority of the heavy rain. They've picked up more than 1/4 of an inch of rain in Willimantic, almost 1/2 an inch now in Groton. We're over 1/10 of an inch in Westerly, and I do expect by the time this moves through that some areas could pick up an inch or so of rainfall. So some heavier downpours at times, possibly even an isolated thunderstorm. I'm not tracking any thunderstorms right now, but the atmosphere is primed for it. 68 in Smithfield for your temperature right now. It's a mild afternoon in Providence, 71, 72 in Taunton. You step outside, you can feel just how muggy the air is, and that's why when you have all that moisture in the atmosphere, it doesn't take much to get some heavy rain. Now, Futurecast, not really a very pretty sight here for the afternoon hours. You can see at 2 o'clock, pretty much widespread rain over Rhode Island and a good part of southeastern Mass. Now, if this Futurecast here is right for the evening commute, we could be looking at potentially some at least localized street and poor drainage flooding and any heavier downpours for the evening. Now, I do expect it'll clear out, so by 9, 10 o'clock, things have quieted down, and that sets us up for a dry but windy weekend. So South Coast for today, upper 60s, Newport, about 70 for the temperature in Coventry. Look for periods of rain and isolated thunderstorm in Burrillville, upper 60s to around the low 70s for Johnston and into Scituate, and about low to mid 70s in southeastern Massachusetts. Additional showers, isolated thunderstorm there. So we will be keeping an eye on the evening commute for that potential for the heavy rain and thunder. The weekend, again, drying out. It's going to be a windy weekend with temperatures in the mid-60s both days. Nighttime lows Saturday night will fall into the 40s. Your 7-day Futurecast showing once we get through today, a quieter stretch of weather and cooler as well. Temperatures around 65 for your high on Monday. We'll have another chance for some rain middle of next week.